Hello, in front of me I've got Corsair K65 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to create custom keyboard lighting preset. In the beginning, let's go to iCUE app and now go to lighting effects. Next, select plus to add layer, and now you can select presets or custom. Next, you can select lighting link. For example, let's select type lighting. Now adjust zones. Select lighting type between reprog and key and speed. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.